The aliens are coming.
Come on, ladies, man, let's go. It's showtime. Sera, Davona. Hey.
Sera. Hello, hello.
Hi!
What's happening, Sera?
We're at the Beer Fest selling lighter leashes.
Yes, we're selling the lighter leashes. Again, this is another festival. We'll have 10 days here. We already did 3 days. This is the 4th day today. And going strong, we're selling a lot. Good vibes, thanks for coming. We have Wiz and Hope here as well. Let's sell more, baby. Good vibes.
Asja, jak rabja się
Alright, Sera, hey, with the connection.
Vera Is that?
The baby is moving.
Oh,
baby. Meza, make something. Hey. What next? Clip it? Clip it.
Okay.
Clip it here.
Leash it. Leash it. And keep it. Alright. Good commercial.
When are you going to come my way? Where do you go? Where do you go?
Let's sell some lighter leashes, guys. Naqa grinta, guys. Naqa motivation. Hey.
Where do you go? Where do you go? Why can't you come?
Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye. Good vibes. Selling, eh? Today selling.
On and let us play. Where do you go? Where do you go?
Good vibes always, guys. Thank you, eh? Lighter leash. Never lose your lighter ever again. Oh, it's windy, eh?
Don't you need my love, baby? Why can't you come on and let us play? When are you going to come my way? Where do you go? Don't you need my love, baby? Why can't you come on and let us play?
Għandek kollox, għandek bil-rajt. Għat li video.
My friend Efrom, huh? Good man. Lighter leash team. Good vibes.
Good vibes.
Good vibes. Ciao. So we're closing. What do you think, Sera? We did good sales today for a Sunday night. We're tired, dead tired. Martina, how are you? Hey, want to sleep. Okay, so thanks for watching as always. Leave a like and subscribe. Good vibes. Ciao.